Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both accounts so the integration can work securely. Enable a map inside Gmail. This lets external services read messages, and if you use two-step verification, create an app password so Telegram tools can authenticate. Then open Telegram and create a bot with BotFather. Save the bot token because you will use it to send and receive messages programmatically. Once done, make sure both accounts are reachable and you have a testing email ready for the next step. Now you connect Gmail to your Telegram bot using a connector, either a hosted webhook service, a small bot script running on a server, or a trusted third-party bridge. Configure IMAP polling or set up Gmail push notifications with appropriate credentials, then supply the bot token so messages can be forwarded. Map the essential fields. Subject becomes the headline, sender is shown, and attachments are linked or uploaded. Make sure to throttle polling to avoid rate limits and test with one incoming message. Finish by running thorough tests. Send several emails, verify they arrive in the targeted Telegram chat, and confirm attachments and inline content display correctly. Once done, refine parsing rules for subjects and bodies, add retries for transient failures, and implement limits to avoid spam. If something goes wrong, check the bot token, IMAP status, and Gmail security prompts. App passwords or blocked sign-in attempts are common culprits. Finally, monitor for rate limits and update scopes if Gmail changes permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.